What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we're taking a good look at Litecoin. I'm really sorry that I haven't been keeping you guys updated on Litecoin for a while because I realized that the last video that I uploaded on Litecoin, it got a lot of views, and I really do appreciate you guys who liked and subscribed through Litecoin. I'll definitely try as much as I can to keep you guys. In fact, I'll definitely be keeping each and every one of you guys updated on Litecoin. Oops, that was a lot of views. That was a lot of views. Though it wasn't up to 500, but I do appreciate. So as you can see right here, Litecoin is at this level of support, which I made it known to each and every one of us that Litecoin is at this level, because as you can see, there was a lot of touches in my video, as you can see. So it is trading within this triangle now, but at the end of the day, it depends on the fundamentals, guys. It depends on the fundamentals, because we saw Ethereum broke below the trend line. So Litecoin won't be left out if the fundamentals are not that we have on ground right now is not bullish enough to pump the market up. If the fundamentals are not going to move us to the upside, then I would say it's just going to be bad news upon bad news, because looking right here from the weekly time frame, we could see that the 100 and the 200 weekly moving average, it has been broken. I can't like kind of add 200 EMA. Let me do that here by adding 200. Let's see how that works. Oops, that was 1200. Why isn't this working? I don't know why that's happening. Maybe I will do that some other time in my next video. So currently we are at this stage right now whereby we are testing this trend line once more. Now with this trend line hold as a very good support for Litecoin, that I can't say for real. I can't say for real, because right now is the news that determines how the market moves. And I think that not just I think, few days ago, Fidelity filed for Litecoin ETF. Yeah, Litecoin ETF. That's actually a news you need to know. So we should understand that these ETFs that are being filed right now by these big institutions on Litecoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Cardano, these ETFs that are being filed for these altcoins right now, these major altcoins are the top 10 or top 15 of cryptocurrency. The fact that these ETFs were being filed for Bitcoin last year, early last year, and it was approved even when Gary Gensler was the head of the SEC. It doesn't mean that this time it's going to be different. Yeah, it's probably going to be different, but I think that it is definitely going to be approved. This ETFs will be approved after this tariff war and all whatnot, probably Fed's cut rate and all whatnot. Then everything will pump, because right now a bullish news will definitely pump the market as hell. So I feel like we just have to wait for the fundamentals to determine the structure of Litecoin right now. We all know everything has been set aside. All we just need is this tariff war to be over. Tariff war should be over, because as it is right now, I won't lie to you, this is actually one of the most fearful, uncertain, the most crazy moments in both stock and crypto space right now, because crypto era, because it's only bond and gold that is actually like gaining momentum all this while, because that was actually the initial goal from the onset for US bonds to be getting a lot of money inflows in, which it has been achieved. But at the same time, the US government didn't see this coming. The Doge didn't see this coming, because if you check Elon Musk's recent videos, he was clearly saying that he didn't want this tariff. He he was going for a 0% tariff because China and US, these are two huge countries that move the world. Yes, they move the world. So the fact that there is no agreed upon meeting, or a meeting whereby they will have to have, and they will agree upon, okay, this tariff and or what's not, it has not been held. And the fact that it has not been held, and we've only been hearing from the US side of them threatening to impose 104% tariff on China, it's actually a lot. And China would have to impose theirs back. And like I said in my previous video, that this won't definitely won't end with just tariff war. It will definitely come to the currency, the US currency, and the Chinese currency known as yuan. So this won't just end in tariff war. This will be a whole lot. And when they leave tariff and start focusing on the currencies itself, most currencies around the world will definitely suffer for it. The economy will definitely suffer for it. So I'm only hoping that the US and the Chinese government come together and settle whatever issue or whatever conflict or this tariff conflict that they're having amongst one another. But at the end of the day, guys, sorry about that. At the end of the day, we need a move to the upside. We need a good fundamental that'll keep us pumping, because if not, I can't come here to assure you that this trend line right here is all we need to pump. No, guys. Even if, let me be honest, I take all this away right now. Even if we get a move like this, there is no possibility that we're definitely coming to this $124 right now, because at the end of the day, we just have to consolidate like this. We have to consolidate until we break below this trend line right here. We break below it, and if we should break below this trend line, it's going to be very, very crazy. It's going to be very, very crazy for Litecoin, because like I said in my previous video, that there was a very long week here, and I've noticed something. This was something I discovered myself, that in a chart, that whenever we get a long week like this long week right here, whenever we get a long week like this, it is very scary, like that, to the extent that I don't see myself trading a coin like this when there is a long week like this, because there is every possibility that this will definitely be tested once more. And if you check, ever since Litecoin went as high as $300 or $300, close to $400, it has been declining. Though it had a pump to this level, but to $400, it has actually been declining. It has been declining, and the fact that it is declining is only giving me, it's only moving my attention to this long week here. This is where my attention is going. I don't know how low Litecoin is going to go, but I don't know if it's going to go to $1, because as you can see, it dumped all the way to $1, all the way from roughly $400. It went all the way to $1. So for this to happen, I actually don't know. I actually don't know if this is going to happen again, because moving from roughly $400 to $1, it is no difference from moving from 100 close to $75 all the way to $1, honestly speaking. So this is what I am actually scared of for you, the investors, because anything can happen. So I would say, for now, for a regular market, I would say you can place your buy orders here at $49.86, while you place another here at $31.38, which is crazy. Yes, I know it sounds crazy, but let's just focus on this area right here, because first and foremost, I actually don't see us breaking below this, but due to the tariff war that is going on right now, with the uncertainty and fear in the market, I actually don't see us breaking above this place right now, until there is a final agreement between the US, and that's just all I have to say. That's just all I have to say. If I should continue making this video, I can't predict anything in this chart, because first and foremost, we've respected the support range, which happens to be $66. We respected it. We bounced above that. But that still doesn't mean that with the ongoing uncertainty, the fear in the market currently, we won't break below that. And when we break below that, we only need a retest in order for us to come down. Guys. So this is just literally all I have to say. Thank you guys for watching. Without wasting much of your time, subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss out any of my videos. Turn on post notification to smash that like button. Share this video with your friend. And if you're a trader looking for platforms to trade, links are down below. Gates.io, Bybit, and Weex are down below, where you could use sign up and trade. Without wasting much of your time, guys, have a wonderful week and stay tuned for my next video. Have a wonderful week.